Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are doing King Carnage by Norwood. Let's give it a try. Alright, interesting. Looks like we start off in these sort of closed off cells. I suppose you could probably shoot across through the little apertures there, but it's too inaccurate. You can already see that my bullet collided with air. I saw some enemies down here, so occasionally they'll spawn down here, but for the most part they spawn up there. As such, this will be mainly demonstrative of just the concept and layout of the level, rather than any very rigorous gameplay, because there's not much of an opportunity here. You know, if I spawn down there, I'll get spawn killed, likely by shotgunners or rocket launcher guys. Suppose I could do that, but it's just not accurate, reliable enough. Looks like the secondary fire has a big enough radius that it can't really fit through this very well. Like, I'll be in the exact same spot this will go through, but this won't. You saw earlier I killed the one enemy, but it seems like in a way this is the safest strategy, albeit the least efficient technically. We're talking about getting kills, but relative to getting killed, seems like that's the best bet, short of spawning down there in an opportune time. Looks like at some point another will spawn up here, so I suppose I could be prepared for that. Let's see if there's anything on the map that would indicate that there's another place I need to go. I think this is it. I think what you see is what you get from about the moment you spawn. Actually, the pistols might be more effective for that. Oops. Oops. Fuck, I can't do it. Oh wow, didn't even work for them there. Alright, well I think that's it, yeah. That's it for today. Next time, Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go through M2 Cosmic version 2 by Ben Matazar. Until then, thanks for watching, and maybe a while, because I think starting tomorrow I won't be doing as much. I'll have something going on through next Saturday, but I think maybe late next Saturday I shall return in some fashion. But anyway, until then, thanks for watching.